Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I've got a great video for you today. I'm going to be teaching you how to increase average order value by adding free gifts to Shopify orders. This is really cool. We'll jump right into it. And again, this is all about increasing average order value and how to do it the right way. And if you don't know what average order value is, often described as AOV, it's basically just people spending more per order, right? What is the average amount that someone spends per order? And increasing your average order value, this is a proven strategy to scale on Shopify. Basically, you're not going to have any additional costs. You're not going to need to spend more on ads. You're not going to need to spend more on marketing or email or anything like that. You're just going to get people to spend more whenever they make a purchase. Right? So all of your other costs and things like that, they stay the same. It's literally about maximizing your traffic, maximizing the amount that your customers pay. And if you increase the amount people spend per order without increasing your costs, well, you're going to make a lot more money. You're going to make a lot more profit. But there are some pain points that you might run into when you want to go ahead and implement this. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the one that I use, the one that I recommend. And the app must be super easy to use and need no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a developer or a coder or an expert to be able to use this app. And really, most importantly, you need to use an app that offers full flexibility in terms of automatically adding free product or maybe upselling product, cross-selling product, having different scheduling options, all these different types of rules and kind of ways to seamlessly integrate this strategy into your business. And if you want to do that, that's why you're going to use EG Auto Add to Cart Free Gift. And you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you this app in a second. It's incredibly powerful, and it's going to do exactly what I was describing. It's going to allow you to increase your average order value with a ton of flexibility. And I'm going to bring over the app right over here. You see EG Auto Add to Cart Free Gift. First of all, I want to call attention to the close to perfect 4.9 out of 5 stars on over 250 reviews. And you see it has the Built for Shopify badge over here. This is the highest honor that an app can get directly from Shopify, basically giving you trust to say, okay, Shopify is classifying this as a top-in-class app. It's going to do exactly what it describes here. And there's a special promo exclusive deal just for watching this video. If you install the app today and mention the code SENIOR506, you see it on the screen, SENIOR506, just mention that to the customer support team. They're going to give you a free month by refunding your third subscription month fee. So really cool promo. You get a full month free just for watching this video. Again, it's talking about automatically adding items to cart using very powerful rules. That's the cool part here. And we could talk about things like different triggers, ways to target people who are logged in or past customers or VIPs. You could target specific products or collections. You can work with scheduling. And this is going to work with really any theme. Your traditional cart pages, animated carts, the online store 2.0 themes, they're all going to work here. And it's all about creating rules to automatically add to cart, whether that's a gift, a new product, an upselling product, a cross-sell. I'll show you a couple examples as we go over the shoulder. But you see the different list of features here, and again, you see the link directly below this video. You're going to be able to get a 5-day free trial. You'll be able to set it up just like I show you as we go over the shoulder. So all you need to do is press the black install button right over here. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Press install. We're going to go ahead and get this installed in one of my stores, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. So once we press install, we'll be brought over here to the install app page. You just got to click this install app button. This is going to give permission for the store and the app to just work together. This is really just the final step in terms of actually getting it installed into your store. And then you're going to come over here and of course approve that charge. You will get that free trial up front so you could use it and test it out and do exactly what I'm going to show you as we jump into the Easy Gift Auto Add to Cart, otherwise known as EG Auto Add to Cart. And we're going to have a quick little setup guide over here. Very easy 4-step process. Step number 1, we just need to enable the app. We're going to come over here and click Activate App. This is just a simple setting inside of those new Online Store 2.0 themes. You'll see we just simply need to enable the app. You see it's going to do it for you. Just make sure you come over here and press Save on the top right. That's going to be step 1 over here. Next, we go on into creating rules. So there are going to be basically different rules, different situations, different triggers of when the easy gift auto add to cart will implement. So we'll come over here and go into create rules, and we're going to first give it a name. I'll just call it sample rule number 1. And you see that there are different triggers here. This is the real cool part about this app. You get full control over all of the different types of triggers and ways to make auto add to cart function and start and automatically add that product to cart in this case, which is what we're going to set up. So our trigger over here is going to be when a cart reaches a certain value, and you'll see this as something like, spend $50, get a free gift, or buy this hoodie, get a free gift, and we'll have the hoodie priced at a certain amount. Very easy to do, allows you for full flexibility. There's another trigger as well, actually 2 more. Product trigger, right? This is going to be only when you buy a specific product. You'll see a list of products over here, or a total quantity of products, or a total monetary value of products. We have the ability to go through all of those specifics. You could also do collection based, which you're saying, okay, let's say you have a Black Friday collection. If you buy anything from the Black Friday collection, you get a free gift. So we could set up these as different triggers, right? Triggers are basically just a way, again, for this app to take action. So we're going to come over here and we're going to set up a spend $50 in terms of a gift here. And you could also add an upper limit, for example, spending between $50 and $500. In our case, we're not going to do that. We have no need for that. But again, we have that ability in here. Then you're going to see there are different options. These can give you more control over how this works, but I do recommend most of the time keeping rule works in reverse. Basically, if in this case the cart goes under 50, let's say they add products to get to 50, then they decide to remove products that are under 50, then the rule will, what they call, work in reverse. It's going to remove that free gift. Okay, so this is a smart option over here. You have a couple other options to be able to go into as well. Now it comes time to what are they going to get? What's the reward? And we have 2 options here. This is really cool, right? We can either automatically add a product to cart. I'm going to show you both options, right? But we could automatically add a product to cart. So it's going to be a one standalone product. In this case, if they make it to $50 in their cart, we're going to give them this product. Okay, and we literally come down over here and we have automatically add, and we'll select the product, and we'll be able to come over here and search through our entire product catalog. And how about we go ahead and we upsell them on the hoodie, or in this case, the t-shirt. We'll give them a t-shirt of this style. So we have that over here, right? Of course, you could remove it. You could change quantities if you wanted to give them multiple. All right, and we'll move forward. The other option I'll show you, giving customers a choice. We'll come back to that and I'll show you how to set that up. Now we have some other options in terms of preventions and safe checks. This one, for example, will prevent customers from changing quantities in their cart so they can't get more of the gift, for example. We'll put that over here. We could enable custom messages with this notification option over here. You'll see that we'll be able to give them a little notification in terms of that they got a gift. We're going to come over here and move back further down here. We can automatically apply a discount as well. So we could use an existing discount code, or we can use an automatic discount that gets automatically added in here. So we'll come over here and we'll click apply a discount, and we'll create a discount over here. So we have our little setup over here. When a customer cart value exceeds $50, we are going to add in this t-shirt into their cart at a discounted value, in this case free. We could also do something like 50% off or 90% off or 10% off, whatever you want. And we'll just have it set to be free here. Give it a name, so we'll do a discount for sample 1. Click continue. Full scheduling features as well, right? We don't want to wake up at 12 a.m. midnight if we wanted to run a 24-hour promotion. We could simply schedule it out, have a start and end time to be how we want. And this is a really cool thing. I like this feature a lot. It's called the apply this rule to. And as you see, we have different options in terms of who is going to see or potentially get this trigger. So we could have people who are only not logged in. We could have people who are only logged in. We could have people who only arrive via a magic link. And this is really cool for those of you doing Facebook ads, which should be pretty much all of you. You could give a direct offer that's only available by clicking on that Facebook ad using a magic link. Let's say they come over and they get into a product and they'll see, in this case, the spend 50, get a free gift trigger here if we were to select only visitors who arrive via a magic link. Right now, we're just going to go all store visitors so everyone will see this, and we'll go ahead and press save. So this is going to be our first one over here, and we're going to be able to actually go ahead and test this out by copying this link, and I'll go ahead and open it in a new window. So I want to trigger that $50, so I'm going to come over here, add 2 of these into my cart, and you see immediately here's the 2 shirts that we just added, giving that 100% discount on the product that we set up in the trigger. So very simple, right? Automatically added inside here. You see the 100% discount applied. Big thing about this is this product will get fulfilled just like any other product. So print on demand, drop shippers, right? All of your automatic fulfillments will still work because it literally adds this exact product. Then they can go ahead and check out. All right, I'll show you the rule in reverse. Okay, we're gonna come down here. Our cart is now $25, does not qualify for the free product. Our cart is now $50, qualify for the free product, right? You see it in real time. Very powerful. Here's the free product. Can only add 1 at a time, right? We set that. So incredibly powerful here. This is the direct rule and trigger where you say, okay, spend $50, you're automatically gonna get this product. Back here on the dashboard, we can click compatibility verified. We tested that. You can also create upsell rules over here. Really cool way to boost your average order value. We kind of talked a little bit about different types of triggers, but I want to show you the other kind of reward here. This is really cool. We'll call the sample rule 2. I'm going to do cart value again, and we'll do the same trigger here. Actually, I'll do $100 so you can see a little bit different example. And we'll have the rule work in reverse, of course. But what I want to do now is allow the customer to choose. So now when we click on choose products, we're going to obviously be able to select multiple products. And the real cool thing here is if you have apparel, you can just click this check over here. You see all of the different variant options, colors, sizes get selected. The customer will actually be able to choose. So I'll go ahead and pick through a couple different shirts here for them to choose from. Let's go with 3. And I'll pick those 3 and we'll click add. And now it's going to add this product and all of the variants over here right into this section. Again, the customer is going to be able to choose what they want in terms of not only which of the 3, but what color, what size they want. All the different variants will carry over. Next, we'll give it a little headline. Choose your free gift. You qualified for a free gift. Congrats. You could even add an image over there. We could show the item price if we want. We could just simply uncheck these different options over here. It could allow the customer to hide the pop-up permanently. We're just going to leave all this unchecked over here. Some different options over here. We'll check this one for prevent customers from changing the added item quantity. Basically, again, we're just not going to let them add more of the free product into the cart. And same call out over here about Cardix. Now we're going to set up that discount. So we'll come over here, apply a discount. We can go choose an existing discount over here. And I'll go with this one that I previously set up. So you spend $100, you get 1 item for free. So we'll go ahead and select that. We'll run this one continuously and show it to all site visitors. So we'll go ahead and save this. Now I'm here on the storefront. I need to go and get $100 in my cart to qualify for that offer. So I'll go ahead and add. And you see immediately, we're going to now have that choose your free gift. Here's the text that we selected, right? Everything able to be added into the cart. But what you specifically see over here are the different variants as well. So we're going to come over here and say, okay, I want to get the Dodge Charger shirt, but I want to get it in red, size extra large. Okay, and you see that the variant even updates right in front of them so they see their choice. And whatever they choose, they just select, and then they'll be able to check out. And we really just scratched the surface in terms of different examples that you can kind of expect to see from this app. You're also going to get full analytics inside of here to see exactly what's going on, see how much money you've made in terms of different triggers working, see how many orders, of course, all inside of analytics. You have different time ranges as well. You could even do it individually by the different rules like the ones that we just created today. So very, very easy to use, as you can see right here. So that was EG Auto Add to Cart Free Gift. Incredibly powerful, also incredibly easy to set up. You saw that you can get up and running in just a few minutes and create these really, really powerful rules to fully automate this process of increasing average order value. All you need to do is press the install button, get this in your store, highly recommended. Set it up the way that you saw me set this up and see your average order value increase. Really hope this helps you take your store to the next level, and I'll talk to you real soon.